TaxWise Tax Software Review User Experience. Watch before using. TaxWise is a professional tax preparation software primarily used by tax professionals, accountants, and preparers. It supports individual and business tax return, offering a range of features to simplify tax filing and client management. And here are the key features about this platform. So talking about the key features of this platform, they support federal, state, and business tax returns, key filing for faster submission and refund, and also multi-users access for team collaboration, client management tools, and data import capabilities, and built-in compliance check to maximize error. And here are the key features about, pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, they cover a wide range of tax form, schedules, and credit, which is a comprehensive features. And also, they offer a fast and reliable electronic submission, which is easy to navigate for tax professionals, which is very user-friendly interface. And also, they provide helpful tools for tracking clients' data and return, which is client management, and also offer access to customer support and training resources, which is training and support. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the price. Higher cost compared to other tax preparation software, making it more suitable for professionals' use, and also the steep learning curve may take time to fulfill or fully understand for beginners, so it might be a little bit difficult. And also, some users report system lags during peak tax season, and also no ideas for simple and personal tax return. And here the overall verdict about this platform. TaxWise is a powerful tax preparation tool for professionals handling multiple clients. While it is not most budget-friendly option for small businesses or individual, it's a comprehensive features and reliable e-filing, making it valuable choice for tax filing. It is if you are a professional seeking efficiency and compliance, TaxWise is worth considering.